Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the joys of summer with delicious and refreshing treats. Today, we're excited to share 11 cool and tasty drink and snack ideas that will help you beat the heat and enjoy the season to the fullest. Let's dive into these refreshing delights. Watermelon Slushie. Blend juicy watermelon chunks with ice and a squeeze of lime for a refreshing and hydrating slushie that screams summer. Iced coffee with a twist. Brew your favorite coffee and let it cool. Serve it over ice with a splash of almond milk and a drizzle of honey for a refreshing pick-me-up. Frozen grapes. Place washed grapes in the freezer until frozen solid. Enjoy these icy bites for a sweet and refreshing snack that will keep you cool. Pineapple mint smoothie. Blend fresh pineapple chunks, a handful of mint leaves, coconut milk, and ice for a tropical and invigorating smoothie. Frozen yogurt bark. Spread a layer of Greek yogurt on a baking sheet, and top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Freeze until solid, then break it into bark-like pieces for a delightful and healthy snack. Cucumber lime cooler. Blend cucumbers, lime juice, a hint of honey, and ice for a cooling and revitalizing drink that will quench your thirst on hot summer days. Caprese skewers. Thread cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and fresh basil leaves onto skewers. Drizzle them with balsamic glaze for a refreshing and savory snack. Mango coconut popsicles. Blend ripe mangoes with coconut milk, a touch of honey, and pour the mixture into popsicle molds. Freeze until solid for a tropical and satisfying summer treat. Iced herbal tea. Brew your favorite herbal tea, such as hibiscus or peppermint, and let it cool. Serve it over ice with a slice of lemon for a refreshing and soothing drink. Frozen banana bites. Slice ripe bananas and dip them in melted dark chocolate. Place them in the freezer until the chocolate hardens, creating a sweet and satisfying frozen snack. Berry lemonade spritzer. Combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, mixed berries, sparkling water, and a touch of agave syrup for a bubbly and tangy summer beverage. These 11 refreshing drink and snack ideas are perfect for beating the summer heat and savoring the season. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a backyard gathering, these treats are sure to delight your taste buds and keep you cool. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, tips, and inspiration. Share your favorite summer treats in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video on Wne Wne.